In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your voice sound like God. I say sound like God because I really don't know how this effect is called. So I'm just going to give you a preview of what it is that we're doing. The one on the left is the raw voice, no effects. And the one on the right is the, with all the effects that I'm going to teach you applied. So let me just play them for you. I'm a firm believer. Don't come at me. So that's a raw voice, no effects applied. And this is the one with all the effects applied.
I'm a firm believer. Don't come at me.
You know, so that's basically kind of like what we're doing in this video, just making your voice sound a little bit like that. So the effect that's going to give the echo effect, it's called analog delay. And you can just apply that to the audio, and in effect controls in Premiere, just go to custom setup and then click on edit right here. And here, if you click here on default, you can choose a bunch of presets, kind of like gives you different, for example, like if you want to sound like if you're in a public address, or if you want to sound all this stuff. But the one that kind of like gives the nice effect is this one called 50 slapback. So we applied this one and let's see how it sounds.
I'm a firm believer. Don't come at me.
So for me, it is a little bit too separated. So what we can do is to make the time where the voice and the echo fire up, I don't know how to say that, I can just increase or decrease the delay. For example, it was 200. If I decrease it to like 50, you will see that now it doesn't have that effect. Let's play.
I'm a firm believer. Don't come at me.
You see? So that's the delay. It kind of like separates or brings closer both audios together. So feedback is going to make it seem as if like it's a big room or a small room. Let's see. So feedback wasn't 0. We'll increase it to 30. Let's see.
I'm a firm believer.
You see? Let me just increase it to 80.
Don't come at me.
You see? That's too bad. Wow. So let's see. 30 sounds good.
I'm a firm believer.
No, maybe like
don't come at me.
Kind of like that. You know, you can actually just play with these controls until it sounds good for you. Spread is also another thing that I could change. Let's see, let's go with 50.
Come at me. I'm a firm believer.
Yeah, no.
Don't come at me.
Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at 20. This is the echo part. Now, to make it more feel like, oh man, let's go with the with pitch. Pitch shifter is the effect. So we apply pitch shifter to the audio, go to effect controls and click edit. Here where it says default, I will suggest you to choose deathly ill. If you choose angry gibberish, nope, not what we're looking for. So we choose deathly ill, and now that brings a little bit of a more tone, whatever.
Firm believer. Don't come at me.
There you go.
I'm a firm believer. Don't come at me.
Let's see if we go -2 or -5.
I'm a firm believer.
Wow, that doesn't sound like God. That sounds like something else.
Don't come at me.
Perfect. So basically you can play around with these two. The two effects are pitch shifter and analog delay. So hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it was. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.